Hi, I'm Bryan Nickson Lomas. I'm the Ambassador of Sports and Nature. This event, Batik Sarong Charity Fun Run 2015, it's not just about running and having fun, but it also helps to create awareness regarding environmental issues. This event also helps those less fortunate and underprivileged people. It is part of our responsibility to save the environment as the global warming issues are getting worse. And I think by planting trees, it helps to reduce the global warming effect and also helps to improve the quality of the environment. And let's go and take some time to do a little bit of Mother Nature.